And we're gonna take the seat off. From Benlari, we got this bracket, right? It's gonna sit like this. Now there are 4 different locations depending on how your seat is. You can move it forward, all the way there, or whatever mounting location fits for your application. If you want to use this hole, which is the 4th one down, you want to mount this bracket the 4th one down. If you want to use the first one, we're gonna have to move this up. So this is the way it sits on there. The hole is gonna face toward the rear so that that bracket can come down and we can mount it there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attempt to hold the screws with my fingers, and then I'm gonna find the bolt hole and I'm gonna make the 2 and twist it. Yep, so there it is. So this is how I was able to do it. These, and we've already been loosened, but we're gonna take them off. That's why we didn't do anything super tight yet. So now we're just gonna connect this nut and bolt there and make sure we're not pinching any wires. We're just gonna screw these down until they kind of snug up and hold the bracket in place. Make sure there's nothing in the way. Seat is on. Bolt lines up. Let's check our hole. Leather stitching, everything looks great. Okay, so now we're just gonna, the way you do it is you squeeze these 2 together, and there are holes in the bracket that these lock into. Work right there for me, perfect. So like I said, this folds down so your passenger can get up there and step up there. If you're gonna take a long trip, I would recommend getting one of these guys.